Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to reset, restore, or reinstall your HP all-in-one desktop or any HP laptop/PC back to factory settings. Follow each step carefully. Let's get started. Go to Search. Type Reset this PC. Click on it. Next to Reset this PC, click Reset PC. Before resetting, I strongly recommend that you back up all important files, apps, and settings. If you don't have a backup, choose carefully in the next step. You will now see two options. Keep My Files, Remove Everything. If you do not have a backup, choose Keep My Files. If you do have a backup, choose Remove Everything. For this tutorial, we'll select Remove Everything. Next, you'll choose how to reinstall Windows, Cloud, Download, Local Reinstall. Both options work fine. For this tutorial, we'll select Local Reinstall. Click Change Settings. Here you'll see additional options. Clean data. If set to no, just removes files. Faster but less secure. If set to yes, cleans the drive. Takes longer but harder to recover files. Choose whether to download Windows again. Review all options carefully and select what works best for you. Click Confirm. Windows will now show you what will happen. Click Next. Wait for it to load. Review the summary screen. Click Reset. Your HP computer will now begin resetting back to factory settings. Wait for the process to complete. Your system will restart several times. Once finished, your HP desktop will be restored to factory settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.